This issue of Spacecraft Guide, we go into the spacecraft that pushed ahead of the Russians in the space race, and we show you what powered it, and we go into detail if you're a Patreon member, and we also go over the Center Console. This program is brought to you by a great group of Patreon subscribers. Go to our Patreon page to read more. Join our Patreon supporters and get exclusive content and product discounts. In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, we go into more work on the Gemini capsule, Gemini 7, and this part of the panel, the Center Console. And when you click on this globe, it takes you to the Gemini's Center Console. And you can see that we have it all color-coded for the systems, and all of them the color-coded will be on the Patreon page for you to look at. So there you have those that general section, and if we go back to the interactive VR, we're going to look at the specific switch we did on the Center Console, which is right here, the propulsion temperature and pressure indicator. And when our Patreon subscribers click on it, it takes them to the Patreon page with the Gemini propulsion temperature and pressure indicator. So from what we have here is it measures the temperature and pressure of the pressurant used for propulsion. So that in the general sense of systems goes in the pressurant group, which you can see about in here isn't part of the package A and B of the propellant tanks, and we're going to see that later. It also goes into the schematics. That's all for this week. If you would like to use this interactive virtual reality exhibit on the command module, the lunar module, and the surface of the moon, just go to our Patreon page, and the link will be down below.